Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to correct white balance in RawTherapee so your photos have accurate and natural-looking colors. Whether your image looks too warm, too cool, or has an unwanted color cast, RawTherapee makes it easy to fix. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop and use the file browser to locate the photo you want to edit. Double-click the image to open it in the editor. On the right side of the screen, find and open the *** white balance ** section. If your photo has incorrect colors, start by selecting the *auto ** option to let RawTherapee estimate the white balance automatically. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can make manual adjustments. Use the *temperature ** slider to control how warm or cool the image appears. Move it to the right for a warmer look with more yellow tones, or move it to the left for a cooler look with more blue tones. Then adjust the * tint slider to remove unwanted green or magenta color casts until the colors look natural. For even better accuracy, you can use the ** white balance picker * tool. Click the picker icon, then select an area in the photo that should be neutral gray or white. RawTherapee will automatically adjust the white balance based on your selection. Zoom in and check different parts of the image to make sure skin tones, white objects, and overall colors look realistic. Since RawTherapee uses non-destructive editing, your original photo stays untouched, so you can always reset or fine-tune your settings later. Once you're happy with the result, save the image or add it to the processing queue and export it as a JPEG, PNG, or TIFF file. That's it. You've successfully corrected the white balance in RawTherapee. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.